Hey, it's Truman with Park Tool. Today we have this fun wheel in front of us. This is a carbon rim, steel spokes, QR mountain bike. Today the complaint is broken spoke. When looking for a broken spoke, you can typically grab pairs of spokes and then you'll just search for one quicker. So we got this set that's not broken, this set not broken, this set not broken, this set not broken, this set not broken, this set, one of these is broken. So here. But now if we look a little bit closer, we'll notice that the spoke isn't broken at all. What's happening is that there's no nipple on here. So what could have happened to this is that the nipple either backed out because it wasn't tight enough, or the other thing that could happen is that there was actually a part of the nipple left on here, but the back side of it had corroded and actually crumbled and allowed it to pull through the rim. I'm really interested to see when we pull this tire and the rim tape off, what we have going on inside. All right, so we got our wheel fixtured here. We've got the nipple that was pulled through. This is tubeless, which is another interesting thing to think about for this issue. Some of the theories out there on why this happens more on tubeless wheels is that
over time, moisture has gotten into the rim cavity, acting as a catalyst. This can be sealant, but it's much more likely that it's something else, like condensation in the rim from ingress while washing or riding the bike in wet conditions.
basically that's how a battery works. You've got two dissimilar metals right next to each other and they actually create a current. So that's kind of what's going on here. It's called galvanic reaction. Let's take this tire off and see what's going on the inside. Now, I'm actually going to switch the orientation so it's straight up and down, and we're gonna put a piece of black cardboard down on the floor so that we can see what kind of comes out of the rim here. We've got the wheel repositioned in the WH1, more of a vertical. I want it in this position so if there is anything inside this rim, it's gonna fall straight down. So what we're gonna be doing is pulling this tape off. What do you think we're gonna find? Is it gonna be powder? Is it gonna be crumbly bits? Is it gonna be big? Is it gonna be nothing? I don't know. What do you think? Oh, good, solid fun, people. Good, solid fun. Don't think we're gonna see powder raining out of it, but here, see? You can see a lot of these nipples are, part of it is crumbling away. And some of them are still basically all intact. This one's completely missing. That one's fairly there, but definitely being attacked very aggressively. This one is more than half gone. So this one is definitely probably the next one to go that we've seen so far. What we need to do here is detension this wheel. No good. Then replace each one of these nipples with a brass nipple. The brass nipple is gonna be closer in reactivity to the carbon. So they're not gonna wanna react with each other. Like the aluminum and the carbon, you hold them next to each other, you can almost get a voltage reading off of them. With the brass, that's not gonna be happening, so it's gonna last a lot longer. So we're gonna detension it, put the brass nipples in there, use some light lubricant, draw this wheel back up to tension, use the TM1 to set the tension on the wheel, and we're gonna give this back to the rider. They're hopefully gonna be all smiles. Thanks for joining us today, and have a wonderful day.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed Tech Tuesdays, check out our Repair Help video library, which has detailed guides to a wide variety of common bike maintenance procedures. And of course, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest videos from Park Tool.